Okay, so we have created this plan, right, sir? One medical MetLife plan we have created. What I'm saying now, assume this is the full coverage plan. Now I'm going to create another plan which is for only dental and vision. Okay, dental and vision. And the requirement is if any employee selected full coverage, they're not supposed to select dental and vision. If any employee selected vision and dental, then it's a mandate, then they're not supposed to select this plan. In simple, either of the plan or both the plans. How to achieve that, we will discuss. Okay, so similar plan I'm going to configure, but before that, let me check once my security access and all. Okay, so here we already created one coverage type called AMD medical, and this coverage type we have utilized already to create a plan called AME medical plan, MetLife. The same coverage type, I'm reusing the same coverage type to create another plan. So what I'm trying to say here is, I'm just trying to show one coverage type, we can create multiple plans. Okay, the same coverage types are, I'm creating a new plan, brand new plan. I'm not creating new coverage. Create, let's say, okay, same provider will take. So please stop me if you have any questions on our requirement. Provider, I'm selecting to MetLife. Plan type, healthcare, flat rate, coverage type, I'm going to select the same, the one we used for another plan. One coverage type, two plans. Participating benefit group. Okay, I'm placing USA, currency, USD, frequency, let's say monthly. Dependent plan we already created, so I'm going to set the same dependent eligibility. Previous session we have created for spouse and children, child and spouse. Same, then I'm selecting. We will also talk about plan eligibility today. And then benefit group. Only employee plus spouse. So remaining all I'm removing. Since this is a practice and people are already created, that's why it's defaulting, or else it won't.
Okay.
Yeah. Or else whatever the values I have configured, those only will default. Okay, we have employee only, employee plus child, employee plus spouse, employee plus child plus spouse, or employee plus family. This works. Okay, so we have around 4 criteria. So we will also enter the cost. Let's say customer has provided the cost, and this is a pre-tax. If it is only employee, let's say $20, employee plus child $30, employee plus spouse $25, employee plus child plus spouse, and in simple entire family, let's say $40. And employer is paying only standard cost, that is $20 for each. Any of the, if only employee enroll $20, employee enroll spouse at $20 only, employee plus spouse plus children $20 from the customer. Straightforward plan, sir. Any questions here? No. Okay. So let's override the plan name also so that you will get an idea. So normally system will pick up whenever getting benefit plan, it will pick up coverage type plus provider. So what I'm going to do here is dental and vision. Now see, the benefit plan also will be included along with the AMD medical is the coverage, MetLife is a provider, dental and vision is the benefit plan name. So 3 values has been included. One thing we have to remember, if some customer asks us, can we exclude provider name? Answer is no, you cannot. Can I exclude coverage type from the benefit plan? The answer is no, you cannot. Okay, you have to include mandatory. Now, as usual, I'm going to create, we already have a benefit event. I'm going to edit the benefit event. I'm going to include this plan so that in one go we can test. Oh, where is medical? This is strange. Not a problem. So we have tested that. Oh, I've assigned an AMD marriage. Okay, let's select the same event. Oh, sorry. We already selected only one coverage. Yeah, makes sense. AMD medical is our coverage. We created one
Kiran,
plan.
why would you
Yeah,
create a medical and vision together? What if someone just wants medical and does not want vision?
okay. If that is a requirement, then we need to separate the plans, sir. Medical differently, dental differently. Two different types of plan we have to select, create.
Got it. Okay.
Okay. The reason why I have created group them is assume the customer offering two plans. One plan is full healthcare with one rate lump sum. Another plan is only dental and vision. And customer has a requirement. If anyone enrolled into this one, they are not supposed to enroll into this one. If anyone enroll into this one, they are not supposed to enroll into this one. How to achieve the requirement we are talking. Okay. So this is the coverage type, and this is the healthcare is the benefit plan 1, and this is the benefit plan 2 with same coverage we are using, and created two different plans. Okay, one coverage type, two different plans we created. My intention is I would like to show how to reuse the existing coverage type instead of creating a new coverage type. Okay,
Got it. Okay.
right. So now edit enrollment event rule. Let's assign our new cover. Oh, I'm sorry again. They is not required. This is not required. The reason is one coverage type we have created and the same event we are grouping on. Okay, what I'm trying to say is so this is our benefit event, sir. Under this event, we created a coverage type called AMD Medical. The same coverage type, I created two different plans. So I no need to group it here. Okay, not required at all. Since we already created plan with the coverage type, automatically it is assigned and aligned. Okay, ignore this action. One of the advantages is if we reuse the coverage type, we no need to create an event, nor we no need to create or edit and map this data. Not required. Okay, go to edit benefit plan definition and group our new plan. Since it is a plan, if the dental and vision are separate, actually it is separate, we need to create two different. Okay, now further I want to put it for testing. Before that, I already assigned a plan to Logan McNeil. I will remove the plan. For testing purpose, I'm going to resign the plan because I want to show one validation. There is no harm still if I not resign, but just for our understanding. This I'm going to remove. Oh, it's already cancelled. Oh, it's resigned already. So which means she doesn't have the plan, which is there. We have to resign this value. So I'm going to resign this one. Just for our testing, because I want to show if employees select this plan, they're not supposed to select this. So, okay, now the plan no longer available for worker, removed. Now, requirement is if any employee select plan 1, that employee should not select plan 2. If any employee select plan 2, employee should not select plan 1. It should give a validation. Okay, let's see that how to achieve. If you have that requirements, you have to create cross-plan dependencies, or you can call it as enrollment prerequisites. Effective date. Okay, let's say AMD either of the plan. Medical or dental and vision. No need to restrict. I mean, if you want to restrict, you can select USA salary. Not mandatory because I want to put control on plans here. Primary plan. So healthcare. If any employees are AMD medical, healthcare, AMD dental. If any, then here we have conditions. May elect one or more secondary plan. Elect one or more secondary plan. Must select at least one secondary plan. Only one primary or secondary plan can be elected. What is the difference? If you select this one, may elect one or more secondary plan, which means you are allowing the employees both the plans to choose, not one plan. If you select second option, must elect at least one secondary plan, which means whatever the plan here you are giving, they have to mandatory, they have to select this plan. Okay, if not, it will give an error message. If you select the last one, either of the plan only can be selected. Any questions, sir?
No.
Okay, these are check boxes. I will check and come back to you later. Save this and we'll proceed for testing. Going to the employee. Accept one day passed. Submit. Open. Enroll. Both the plans should be available here. See, both the plans, since we grouped our dental and medical under one benefit event type, so this is why both are enabled. I'm selecting select, and remember, sir, I'm selecting select also. Both plans I'm enrolling. Expectations, Workday should give error message, and also here with the instructions in last session we created. I'm proceeding. Remember, both are selected. I'm selecting child. Some random number. Okay. Save. It should give now when I submitting, when I review and sign in, it should give error message. We selected. Let's see whether both the plans have been selected. Both the plans has chosen. Selected plans. I agree, confirm, submit. Sorry.
It shouldn't have given you error message at the beginning.
It should give an error message. Or it will say revise your plan since employee. Sorry, you have to set only one plan. Let me see that. Let me go back to the worker profile. But I can see only one plan has been elected.
No, two plans have been selected. You have AIM.
Exactly. Let me do one thing, sir. No worries. I'm gonna resign this. And quickly, let me review my rule again.
You have only one primary or
Secondary plan can be elected. Either this or this. It's not required, but I'll just assign. Let me repeat the same. Both we selected. Confirm.
You should have got an error message there.
No. We'll give a try. Save it. Save it. Let's see again. If you see here, it is allowing us to select only one plan. You see, sir? I selected initially 2 plans, isn't it? But I'm expecting a validation error. Okay. But this is also not right. I'm expecting this error should come. Okay. Here it is giving, sir. I missed it. So when you select both, you can see important information. But it should stop us.
Yeah.
No, that's to show, but I'm not sure in this tenant we have accurate. Here, excuse me. Here it will give an error message saying that you are not supposed to select both the plans, but
No.
no. This is something different. It allowing only one plan to select, so. Is letting you allow to select only one plan, sir, automatically. But it should give an error message. It will give an error message, no doubt, because I worked on multiple projects. Not sure in this time something is issue or what. Are clear, sir, or any questions?
No question.
Submit. And then now what we will do is I'm removing this plan. I would like to show another rule. I'm going to remove this. I'm gonna resign. This time we are changing the rule to both plans. If you select medical health, you must select dental and vision also. Okay. So when I select this medical MetLife, it's mandatory I have to select secondary benefit plan, this one also, dental vision. Earlier is either of the plan, now scenario is both the plans. I'm selecting one plan, another plan, I'm just putting as weight. Secondary plan, I'm weighing mode. Okay, this is how it is giving. Actually, it should give an error, but that's fine. It's at least alerting us. You must also enroll into medical MetLife. Let's see. I will review and sign in and see. Okay, now it makes sense.
What would be the process? Let's just say if under medical plan you have like 4 different medical plan, but you could only select one out of those 4 medical. So over here they have medical HMO, medical PPO, and then medical, HDHM. But out of the 3, 4 plans, you can only select one.
Right. Then in that case, what you have to select is primary plan is whatever you want to mandatorily have to select, and then secondary plans you have to give optional. I will explain. But
Okay.
before that, let's this event. Now it's asking us select both the plans, correct?
Yes.
I can go manage, select this plan, confirm. Review both plans selected. You can go to the benefits. Both plans should be available. Okay. Now come back to your questions. Prerequisite, IMD. Yeah, and then please, can you please ask the question again? Yeah.
So the question is, under medical plans, let's just say you have 4 different medical plan options, but
One
you
sec.
can only select one out of those 4.
M1, M2, M3, M4. Okay. And then if you select M1, what is the requirement?
So the requirement, you can only select one out of these 4 plans.
Exactly. If that is the case, what you do is select the one of the primary plan and then list out all the remaining plans here.
Oh, over there. Okay. So you have to create a benefit plan.
Correct. So I will take your example. Now how it works is, I will select here only one primary or secondary, not both.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. And same plans you can mention here also, sir, if required. Uh, I'll select all this like this. Now in this set or in this set, either only select one plan. Only one primary from this list, only one secondary, or more, only one secondary from this list, not both options. Is it clear? Any question?
Okay. Now I'm clear here.
Okay. Now let's talk about the worker plan eligibility as well. Okay, worker plan eligibility. Okay, let's take this medical MetLife plan. All salaried employees are eligible, but my requirement is, before that, let me see if any employees are exist first. Find workers. Location. Hmm. So the one plan what we have configured, this employee is eligible. Let's see. Remember, sir, Alberto Rosso 7457889. I'm gonna save his employee ID here. I'm trying to assign this plan. Hmm. He is not eligible.
He's under a different company or
Yeah,
supervisory work.
right. This is the challenge for us. So, if you want to test any employees, that's okay. I do other way around. This employee is not eligible. Any guess?
Uh,
I could see everything is there.
He's in Chicago.
Yeah. Let's troubleshoot. So it should be part of this company and it should be true active worker and pay type should be salaried. Let's see this worker has pay type is salaried. 899.
Should be a 5 at the end.
Sorry.
995. The employee number when you copied it, yeah, that's the employee. You
Oh,
miss
this is
it.
the one. Oh,
Yeah.
thank you. Now let's see whether he has the pay type salaried in his job profile. Nothing has been given, but let's try. It should match now. We'll check.
I think, can you go back to her profile one more time? I think
Yeah.
I know what maybe the problem is. Let's see. Um, he is assigned to global. Okay, it is right. I thought I had a different company assigned.
Country is matching, worker is active, and worker pay type also matching now. But let me do one thing. The challenge in this tenant is after this date, some changes might have done anyone. That is also will be impact. Yeah, but we gave all the required information. Why he is not eligible is the question. Hmm. Just a second. I just put one test data. So the data water we have turned in, it has some impact. Some few people will be playing around with employees. So that's why we'll create quickly one test data for our understanding. So you're aware of this, right? How to create
Yeah.
positions. Yeah. Okay. I'm just creating some test data just to check why an existing worker is not working, why it is working here. Just want to understand. Uh,
So
the
many
main
managers.
the manager role what we selected in the BP, if you're not selecting the right value here, it will throw an error message again. Says people while they're practicing, they should follow minimum. Now I'm forced to select all managers. What next? Okay, but job profile should have pay rate type. Sorry to hold you, sir. Just at least one employee we have, no? In future, we can go ahead and test for this worker. Hmm. Still not coming here, if you notice. I think there's an issue in the Benefit group eligibility wilderness. Or what I'm guessing here is, since when I'm hiring an employee, I have different types of Chicago locations. That location might not be mapped with the country USA. But I could see still it's there. Okay. Sir, I think the plans are working as expected, but I want to understand why other employees who has the same characteristics as per the benefit group, why they're not able to enroll is my question. That's why I created some test data to understand, but I could still see the same issue. I will explore and let you know maybe in the next session meanwhile. Do you have any questions on today's session on cross-plan dependencies, how to create two benefit plans on one coverage type and testing?
No question there.
Okay. So tomorrow we'll start spending account and I will do some troubleshoot why other employees, though they have all the attributes, why they're not eligible. I'll check and I'll let you know. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day and good night. Take care. Stay safe. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.